For aspiring seafarers and seasoned skippers, commanding a vessel from home is now possible. Maritime training is no longer confined to expensive simulators at academies. Sophisticated home-based simulators revolutionize nautical education, bringing the thrill of navigation to your fingertips. These simulators offer a realistic experience, replicating every detail of a ship's bridge. Chart courses, maneuver through harbors, and handle weather conditions from home. Led by Captain Dimitris Chatzimichail, this program equips mariners with essential skills. Whether for tugboats, yachts, or general maritime knowledge, this course is your gateway. At the helm of this training program is Captain Dimitris Chatzimichail, a seasoned mariner with decades of experience. His love for the sea began young, amidst Greece's vibrant maritime culture. He captained tugboats and motor yachts, navigating Ginsland waters. His travels include port operations and island destinations. With hands-on experience, he skippered tugboat and motor yacht handling, navigation and emergency response. Now he dedicates himself to maritime education, sharing his vast knowledge. His engaging teaching style makes complex nautical concepts accessible. With Captain Dimitris, embark on your maritime journey with confidence. This course covers a wide spectrum of maritime skills, providing participants with a well-rounded understanding of ship operation and navigation. From boat handling to radar plotting, the curriculum equips students with essential maritime knowledge and practical skills. Tugboat maneuvering demands precision and a deep understanding of ship behavior. Realistic simulations teach students to secure vessels, master maneuvers, and navigate tight spaces. The course also covers yacht navigation, chart plotting, and navigational instruments. Students learn GPS systems, electronic charting, and traditional navigation techniques. Advanced radar techniques and voyage planning are also covered. Students learn to operate radar systems, identify hazards, and ensure vessel safety. Voyage planning includes weather conditions, tides, currents, and fuel consumption. The beauty of this home-based bridge simulator course lies in its flexibility and accessibility. Learn at your own pace, revisiting lessons and practicing skills from the comfort of your home. The program is structured step by step, ensuring a solid foundation in maritime knowledge. Interactive exercises and real-world scenarios enhance learning in a safe environment. The home-based course eliminates travel and accommodation needs, ideal for busy schedules. Whether you're an aspiring mariner or a recreational boater, this course offers an unparalleled opportunity. Under Captain Dimitris Chatzimichail's guidance, gain the skills and confidence to set sail for success.